calculate the value of 9.7 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 2.45 times 10 to the power of 7. And we have to give our answer in standard form. Okay, so our first job is to type all of that into our calculators and then find out what the answer is. If you got the same as me, you will have got 34,200,000. So what we're going to do now to help us convert into standard form, I'm actually going to put in a pretend decimal point here and the placeholder 0 afterwards. And that will help me work out how many times I need to move my decimal point to get my answer into standard form. So I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps so that my answer is 3.42 times by 10 to the power of 7. Work out 4.2 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 5.3 times 10 to the power of 2. And we have to give our answer in standard form. So first up, we need to pop all of this into our calculator, work out what the answer is. And if you got the same as me, you would have got 4,730. Now we're going to pop this into standard form by putting in a pretend decimal point there and then moving this 1, 2, 3 times. So we end up with 4.73 times by 10 to the power of 3. Work out 5 times 10 to the power of 4, take away 4 times 10 to the power of 3. And we have to give our answer in standard form. Okay, so we're going to work all of that out, and then you should get 46,000. And then just as before, I'm going to pop in a pretend decimal point here. And that will help me to move it to make it into standard form. So I'm going to move it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So my answer is 4.6 times by 10 to the power of, how have I forgotten what it was? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 10 to the power of 4. Work out 5.04 times 10 to the power of 5, take away 2 times 10 squared, give your answer as an ordinary number. Okay, so we don't have to do the last step. We don't have to pop it into standard form. So if we put all of that into our calculator, we will get this answer, and you don't have to do anything else because that is your ordinary number. We don't have to convert it. We're done. Final one today, work out 7.15 times 10 squared plus 3 times 10 squared. Give your answer as an ordinary number. Now, I've put this as a calculator, but actually you could easily do it as a non-calculator one because 7.1 times 10 squared would be, you'd be making that 100 times bigger to 715. And then 3 times 10 squared is 100, would be 300. And if we added all of that together, we'd get 1015, which is actually, when I worked it out on the calculator, the same as what I've got there. We have to give it as an ordinary number, and we're done. We don't have to convert to standard form, so we're done.